Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you're going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all onto my channel, and I hope that everyone is good. I'm just tired. Yo, this week it feels long. It's only Tuesday. But at least tomorrow it's Wednesday. But either way, I'm not here for that. Check out this video and then we'll talk.
Inkinga yami iyodwa lento engangithenga ngiyoyilobola kini yile ekuyiyona esihlanganisa embhedeni ayisekho
kanjani baba emva kweminyaka emingaka
makhuzwa ingquza yakhe ishaya ikhwela masibhebhana ubani ongaloko into enjalo inkomo zakithi mina ngayikhiphela leyo
baba ungafika ulale nami iminyaka emingaka u9 years ngilalwa uwena hayi omunye umuntu ebese ungitshela ukuthi ingquza yami ishaya ikhwela
iyona into eyenzeka masekameleni ngibone kungcono kwaleyo mali ebengiyibekela ukuyakini ngiyothenga le moto ukuze mangifuna ihuthi ngiyishaye
ngingasikhathi uyangisanganela kahle
ukhuluma
khona osekhona shuthi khona osekhona ozongidla ithende shuthi khona ngoba phela ukwazi ukukhuluma kanjalo emva kweminyaka ewu9 yonke khona nezingane ngaphezulu uzongitshela ukuthi iningqoza zami ishaya ikhwela
iyona into ofuna
ukulobola baba bonke laba bantu ngiyabuza baba ngithi mina phambi kwabo bonke laba bantu uyangihlanyela wena
ukhuluma nami kanjalo
ubunja lobo benzayo ubunja bokuthi ungafika ungilala iminyaka yonke emingaka bese uzongitshela ukuthi ishaya ikhwela ibidliwe uwe
webona into eyenzekayo manje
ngicela wehlisa umoya
webona into eyenzekayo manje
wena uvusa umoya thina umoya yethu ibiphansi
ukhuluma kanjani lo mfazi mekhuluma kanjani
wena nje uyamtakelwa ungafika umbhebhe iminyaka ewunani umbhebhe manje so umtshela ukuthi ishaya
kade ubani umuntu edlayo
hayibo ngicela ukubuza ke wena uyindoda ungayikhipha inkomo uyikhiphela umuntu okhuluma kanje
ungamuzwa sonke lesikhathi kanti wena ucabangani
wena uyizwa inkomo yakho wona uthi njani mawugeza ukuthi ugezani wena
ngibuza ukuthi mina wakangiphenduli namanje wakangiphenduli ngibuza ukuthi ukhona nosengidla ithende ukhona sengidla ithende ukhona usumuzwa kangcono odlula mina ukhona
ngikhulume ngokuthi makhuzwayo kuwena ngikhulume ukuthi inkomo yakho ayisafani naseqaleni
awuhlangani naye phasa umtshele
okwenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukuhlala namphansi yikhona lokho okwenza ukuthi wenze kanje yindaba ungahlala namphansi
angithi wena unabangani wena yini ningakhulumi njengabangani ukuthi inkomo ihlala
mina ngikhuluma umuntu engilala naye ngifuna mina umuntu engilala naye angitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani angithi angilala abangani bami mina ngilala nawe mina ngi-expecte wena ukuthi ungitshele ukuthi kwenzakalani ngami
wena ukhetha ukuthi uthenge imoto uhambe uyolanda ezinye izifebe
uzoyifaka emotweni
kunemoto nje obvious
imoto
futhi nalento ethi expire sinayo ishow mhlawumbe ngakuzwela ukuthi expire ngempela yini
uhlangana lapho webhuti
cha ngenza isibonelo
yazizwa ukuthi
ngenza isibonelo
lezi ngane lezi biza isibongo sami ngisenze njani zona
uyamuzwa lo muntu
njengoba uthi ngibuza ukuthi awangiphenduli ngibuza lezi ngane ebiza isibongo sami ngisenze njani njengoba uthenga imoto uyazi imoto uthi expense kwayona uyazi maintenance kwayona uzolala emotweni ngiyabuza umbuzo lezi ngane lezi ezibiza isibongo sami ayibizi ngisho isibongo sakhe ihlazwa ugijima uyothenga imoto ngenxa ukuthi ngizama usayizwa iyo ekaba osoyizwayo ekaba
imoto
ekabani osuyizwa ngiyabuza ukuthi ekabani osuyizwa
ngiphendule nini
nganciki mina
usunamaseke
unganciki
lalela lana le moto engiyithengile ngiyithenge ngoba ingcono kunawe ayikho into ezoshintsha
emva kweminyaka emi-9 shuthi ubona ukuthi usengingcono kudlula imoto mina
sengiyikhuluma
I do not want to lie to you. This video bores me, or that guy bores me, and not only Gucci, and I don't think I'll be able to talk in Zulu because that is on my chest. I feel like I need to talk Zulu kumele ngikhulume because lo bhuti uyanya angifuna uxama the fact that he has the audacity. So basically what's happening on that clip that you just saw, this guy Shuti apparently he has been with this woman for about 9 years, and then now they were talking about indaba zemshado, malobolo and all of that, and then now this guy does not want to lobola this girl, and the reason being is that what this guy is saying is that the woman's private parts are loose. now they are loose. Mind you, this person is a person who has been with this woman for about 9 years. So, and apparently they also have kids. Yeah. So this man now, what he is saying is that he wants to buy a car instead of taking that money and ahamba ayolobola, because later the thing that he wanted le bethu uzoyomlobolela yona ayisekho. Yeah, lo yanya lo angeke uzodla umuntu 9 years ummithise bese ucabanga ukuthi uzohlala intact, and futhi lapho uthi ucansi khona futhi nakhona ulifuna every 2 damn seconds, and ucabanga ukuthi yonke into nje izolokhu ihleli ngathi i-untouched. Angithi enye into ephinde ibe inkinga futhi ukuthi bona the same bantu besifazane that manje senikwazi ukuba discarda like nothing, like trash, like they are nothing, are the same people nina manje mabe bengafuni ukunipha ucansi niyacomplain akithi. Mangagcina ngocomplain ngicela seniphuma nani senihamba no cheat, but some of you do not even need ukuthi nincinje ukuze nikwazi ukuphuma no cheat, nakanje kuyiphumela niphiwa nje kahle endlini umuntu asuthi azaza gweve kodwa still niyakhona ukuphuma. Now lo lesiphukuphuku somfana angeke nje ngimbize ngendoda lo isiphukuphuku, nalo sisi supposed to wake up. Nalo kunye bafethu umuntu wakho ngeke uhlande umuntu 100 years and tell me that you do not see fucked upness bakhe. You trying to tell me ukuthi le ntombazana did not see fucked upness balo mfana before bethola umntwana, bathola umntwana oqala base bathola umuntu owesi2 akaze abone, even namanje akakuboni lokho. Yo, this is a clip from one of my favorite channels here on YouTube. I'll put the link in the description column below. And nje iyangibhola lento. How uyanya ungathatha imali iphuphutle bese ucaba ukuthi angeke iziphela. Lo uphuphutle inkomo umntwana ngasala inkomo njengoba esho lo mfana lo. And this girl, the way that she's even explaining everything, she's even saying that she never slept with anybody but this guy. Now lo mjithu usezomtshela lento. Niyogcina nani guys, hayi lento omkhiphe uthi hayo babakhe uyabuya, yazi sesibonga nje ukuthi yazi sisuka kude, sesiphamandla usisuka kudeke, sesibonga nje nalo ukuthi uyabuya endlini kodwa bafana ke bathi nje buka ke manje uzothini. And even with what this guy is saying, mayithi inkomo ayisekho noma akasayizwa, bengasayizwa akayizwa, as much as kuyikho ukuthi lo mfana uyanya akasayizwa. Do not waste your time. Stop wasting your time on into oyibonayo ukuthi ayiyi ndawo. If kukuthi wena ufuna umshado or you want certain things and you see ukuthi awusitholi lezo zinto, kubalekile ukuthi uzinikeze time frame. And ukuzinikeza kwakhe time frame, you're also giving him a time frame without you having to even tell him. Because if he really wants to be with you and amadadakhe they are in a row, he'll be with you. Uzozama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ahambe ekhaya ayovela and do yonke into ekumele yenziwe. But niyenze ufuna lokhu keep it, ikani ukeep it abafethu. Because at the end of the day inkomo iyabhubhudleka, awuhleli nje lapho nje ngayo inkomo, cha uyayuza futhi nayo futhi iplayer ingxenye in terms of ukubamba lo muzi wakho, ubambile lo muzi wenu eninawo lapho lentuzaneni lo mkipito wenu. Do not zikalele isikhathi ukuthi after isikhathi esigaka mina ngiyaphuma la. Fana lento ukuthi umshado awukho, umshado niyathanda ukuthi umshado ayikho mara nifuna umjola, abaye benethi umshado ayikho mara niyajola. Kanjani? Yo guys, bafethu, I'm also speaking to men, don't be this guy. You can't. You honestly cannot have your cake and eat it. You just cannot. I'm not saying but you just cannot do that. Umejine ke manje laba nani uthi emakhayeni niyakhuzwa girls, yekani ukufebe, yebani ukukipita. Focusani ezikolweni, focusani ezintweni ezibalekile. Because manje ikhabo lentombazane angeke nabo bekhona ukuthi behambe beyoclaima lapha. Nina nisifaka as ama family members wenu. Ayina stress.